More children are getting sick with COVID too. Statewide, the number of kids hospitalized with the virus doubled in just the last week. 9 News reporter Jennifer Meckles joins us from Children's Hospital Colorado with some context on those numbers.
There are twice as many kids in Colorado hospitals with COVID right now compared to last week. Now, we're just talking a fraction of the hospitalizations overall, like dozens, not hundreds. But here at Children's Hospital Colorado, they tell us they have the most patients with COVID yet since the start of the pandemic. Just days into the new year and a few days past the holidays, COVID is running rampant through Colorado. Statewide, 58 kids were in the hospital with COVID on Tuesday, compared to just 25 statewide last week.
The Omicron variant is so much more transmissible, the Delta variant, that so many more children are getting exposed and getting infected that results in an absolute number of more kids being admitted, getting infected and being admitted to the hospital.
Dr. Sam Dominguez is a pediatric infectious disease doctor at Children's Hospital Colorado. The hospital did not provide its exact COVID patient count, but said they are busy.
We're seeing the most patients we've ever seen here hospitalized at any time in the pandemic over the past 2 years.
Same story at pediatricians' offices.
We've never had this many in such a short period of time.
At Denver West Pediatrics, Dr. James Campbell is starting to see repeat infections just weeks apart.
We've had a few families, if you can believe it, that have had Delta infections in November at Thanksgiving. Then literally 1 after they've recovered from Delta, they're going into a new set of Omicron cases.
While some kids get sick enough to need hospital care, most kids recover from COVID just fine.
Our families they're exhausted. They've called in favors at work. They are worried, kind of had anticipatory worries about returning to school.
This is the time where we really need to be buckled down about our public health interventions, and this is not the time to let up on those.
Here's just another example of community spread. Children's Hospital Colorado tests every patient that is admitted for COVID, even if they don't have COVID symptoms. The hospital tells us about 2/3 of their COVID positive cases right now are kids who came here with symptoms for COVID. But about 1/3 of their COVID positive cases are kids who came here for something else, asymptomatic for COVID, but they still got a positive test. Reporting in Aurora, Jennifer Meckles, 9 News.